Hello guys, my name is Natasha and welcome to my channel, Only in Your Mind. It has been a very long time since I've done any face paints or makeups for you guys, but I decided to go ahead and do a Grinch face paint just in time for Christmas. Plus I have been crocheting a lot, and this is my little Grinch. He is from the new, I guess not new, but the latest animated Grinch series or movie or whatever. But anyways, so if you guys want to see how I did this face paint, just keep watching. So I decided I was going to do a Grinch face paint. I haven't face painted in a while and I'm kind of worried how this is going to turn out, but let's go ahead and get this started. So I'm going to use a Filbert number 12 light green from Mehron Paradise. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and look at an image of the Grinch. It's not the new cartoon, I don't want to say new, but the newest Grinch cartoon, but I'm going to put it here. I'm going to start with the forehead and then work my way around to his cheeks. And that's one cheek, and here's another cheek. Now I'm filling in the forehead and adding a neck, but I will be erasing that neck later on because his face needed to be a little bit longer. And I'm using some Mehron white for the fluffy part of the Santa hat. And I'm gonna actually put it around his neck as well. But like I said before, I will be erasing that part. And here's the little pom-pom at the end of the hat. And here's the white part around his neck for the actual jacket. Now it's time to finish his hat. I'm using red from Mermaid Paradise, and I decided I didn't like the way it looks, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up right in the corner and then fix it and add a little bit more to that corner of the hat. So with a really cool cake from Fusion, it looks like this. I'm going to use this petal sponge. I'm going to put the lighter color on the tip of that sponge and put it in the corner of my eyes, just like this. And I sprayed it with water too, if you guys were wondering, my sponge. And I'm going to dab it on that eye and on the other eye, and then right underneath both eyes. And it almost looks like a butterfly. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up the edges with a wipes, and then with a low Cornell number 4, I'm going to use some Wolfe white and do 3 teardrops on one side, then do it on the other side, and then from the corner of the eye, I'm going to go ahead, press it down and get it thinner until I get to the middle of the eye. Then I'm going to do 3 teardrops here, and then 3 teardrops at the corner of my eye as well, right here. And then on my cheekbone, I will be doing a swirl. And then right under the swirl, I'm gonna make a line like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna do 3 teardrops here and 2 little dots on the side of that, and then some dots here too as well. And then yeah, let's just add some more dots over here too as well. And this is a number 3 brush. Face painting shop. Now, when I got it, it just kind of peeled the paint, but it's still a great brush. Using Mehron black to outline my eyes. For the Grinch's eyes, I'm using the yellow from the Mermaid Splash Cake. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use a number 3 Cornell brush. This is a number 3 round Cornell brush, which is a little bit wider than this face painting shop brush, which is also a 3, but I don't think this is a liner, but it's very nice to do lines. And I am using Wolfe black to do the outlining, which is always great to outline with Wolfe black. So So while I am doing some outlining, I will just talk a little bit. I am really happy to get back and do some face painting. I was actually talking to one of my friends that's another YouTuber, and I was telling her how hard it was for me to face paint. She just said, within time, you'll get back into it and it'll be easy. And she's right. I was able to do another face paint the other day. Here I'm using that same Paradise red for his eyes. And I'm going to do some details on his eyes now. But yeah, so the actual YouTuber that I was talking to is Mrs. Mau Mau's. You guys need to check out her channel. She's really awesome. And she's very talented. She has lots of arts and crafts. She does lots of videos where she's drawing and doing other things other than face painting or body painting, which she's really excellent at all of her stuff that she does. So please check her channel out. Now I am doing his cheeks, and right here is when I noticed that, hey, his face is a little too small. So after I'm done with his nose, I'm gonna go ahead and rub off the bottom of his chin area and extend that. So I'm gonna add some more green and just get rid of his neck area. So I think it really did turn out a lot better than having his neck there. So here we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and trace, or should I say outline, and then give him his freaky smile that makes him the Grinch. And there we go. So there's that long smile that he has going on. So besides face painting, I make soap, and if you've seen any of my other videos, you know I've spoke about that. I actually have another channel where I make my soap, so if you want to check that out, I'll put my link in my description box below. And I'm going to go ahead and line the whole design in red and white. And you saw earlier I used glitter on my cheeks. So another thing, as you can tell at the beginning of my video, is I started crocheting. So my whole studio is full of yarn, paints, and soap products. It's pretty cool looking. I really enjoy it, and it's just like a crafter's dream in here. But anyways, so I'm going to use some of that Mehron Paradise Red and use it as lipstick, and then add some red glitter to my lips. Thank you guys again, and I hope you guys have a wonderful and safe holiday. And you guys are just amazing and awesome. Thank you guys so much for sitting back and watching me do this Grinch face paint. I'm so happy to be back. And if you guys like this makeup, please leave me a like if you want. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next face paint.